Hi friends, in the last video we were discussing about the equinoxes and I had mentioned about the midnight sun that could be seen from Norway. And in this video we will be seeing how that's happening. This is a globe and this is the South Pole and this is the North Pole, and when you look at this globe from either side of this globe, the center of the globe will be the equator. And when you look at from that side, the center of the globe will be the Tropic of Capricorn. And when I look at from this side, the center of the globe will be the Tropic of Cancer. Now this is the orbit of the Earth. This is the far end called apoapsis. This is the near end called periapsis. The sun will be moving, the earth will be moving faster in the near end and it will be moving slower in the far end. So these are the points of solstices on June and December, and these are the points of equinoxes on March and September. At this point on December solstice, the sun will be facing the earth from this side. It will be illuminating from here. And now imagine that you are the sun and the earth is spinning on its axis. Note that the South Pole is always visible. It will be always facing the sun. That means the sun will be visible from the South Pole throughout the day, and the North Pole never comes to you. That means sun is not visible from the North Pole at all, and it will be total darkness in the North Pole. That means it will be polar day in the South Pole and it will be polar night in the North Pole. Now by June solstice, the earth reaches here, and the sun will be illuminating the earth from this side, the North Pole pointing towards the sun, and it will be just the opposite, polar day in the North Pole and polar night in the South Pole. On March and September equinoxes, the sun will be illuminating the earth from this side or from this side. Note that now you are able to see both the poles, both North Pole and South Pole. That means it's equal day and night throughout, at least theoretically. On the March equinox, the 6 months long day ends in the South Pole and sun sets there, and 6 months long night ends in the North Pole and sun rises there in the North Pole. On the September equinox, the sun rises in the South Pole and sun sets in the North Pole. We are speaking about 12 hours day and night. Those people in the poles, maybe some microbes, are speaking about 6 months long day and 6 months long night. So this is the extreme case that occurs at the poles. As you move away from the pole, the number of days, the continuous night and day changes. For example, in Finland, sun do not set for around 60 days, and in Norway, sun do not set for around 100 days. Similar things happen in Alaska, US, some parts of Canada and Greenland. So a continuous days will be available there. So thank you for watching. In the next video we will be seeing how the equinoxes and solstices are causing the seasons to change. Stay curious.